All right, once again, this is 20 amp wire that I'll have to connect it to here. For the microwave, I'm gonna have to turn off the main breaker over here so that I can open up the panel and then connect this one. So the hole will be on top of the electrical panel. I'm not sure if you can see it from here, so I'll have to make a hole over here so that I can put this wire inside of the panel, and then it goes to here. Now the power is off. I can check it with the power detector here. So everything is off, so it's good. I will take this one out. All right, so this is how it looks from the inside. So make sure there's no power here, but this one is gonna be on because that's the main that's coming from the outside. So don't touch this part because it's got power, but from here there's no power. So I'll be using one of those holes. As you can see here, all the hot ones, the black ones are wired in to the breaker, and then neutrals are over here, and I mean the ground is over here and neutrals are over here, so you can connect it to any empty ones over here, and then ground you can connect it here too, and the black one, which is hot one, goes to here. Okay, this hole is ready. As you can see, the clamps, so we have to use clamps as well so that it doesn't come loose here. So the only thing over here, what they did, you see the ground, and they put it together, and that ground is actually going down here. So that's what we gotta do. I believe we can connect to this ground, and then the white one I can put it like onto the empty one over here. And now I'll have to put this one into the hole over there, connect with the clamp, tighten it up, and cut it so that I can have so now the wire is cut over here and should be enough. I just have to put the clamp in here, tighten it up so that it doesn't move, and then I'll have to cut the wire cover, and I'm gonna have to split the neutral, hot, and then ground. So once again, I'll be using 3/8 of clamp connector over here. So this one goes to the top and this one goes to the bottom. So now this is ready, the washer over here. So I'll be putting from the top. So I'll have to pull the wire out and put this one in, clamp it in, tighten it up, put the washer from the bottom, tighten it up from here. I just cut this one and put it here just to make sure I got like enough wire here to connect. But you can do this clamp first and then tighten it up and then cut it. Like either or is fine. So the easiest way would be just to put the clamp in and pull the wire so that the clamp goes here. Alright, so put the washer in. It's nice and firm now. I'll have to tighten up the top and cut the wire. Okay, so it's nice and firm now. It doesn't move. I'll have to cut the wire now. So now the wires are ready. I got all three. This is just paper, so I can take this out. Alright, so from here, either I can ground it here on top, instead of like putting here in the nut, or I can use this one of these empty ones, and then the white one goes to the bottom one over here and the black one goes here. So yours might not be like this. Usually when they have ground, it's like all the way here, and then separate for the white ones, neutral ones, and then the black ones go here. So you might not have it like this. I think why they did this, because like they don't have enough room over here. That's why they're probably like opted in with this one, so that they can save bus spaces over here. So I see that they actually mixed up the neutrals and then the grounds over here, but they still have enough room. So I counted, we got 14 space over here. So we have about 7 breaker space over here. So that would be 2 what do you call it, 2 wires per breaker. So that's 14. So we do have enough room, so I can just do it like that instead of like grounding it over here, because I don't feel it's a good way of doing that. So okay, so the white one, the neutral one is ready, so I'll have to just tighten this one up. So the ground is ready too, so I'll have to tighten this one up as well. All right, so the black one, hot one, is in. I untightened the bolt so that I can put the wire in. Now I'll have to tighten it up. This one is good, stays here. Okay, so this one is firm now. Every time when you tighten it up, just make sure it's not loose, because you don't want any problem with this. And all right, so I checked pretty much everything, looks cool. And don't forget your tools if you have it. Now I'll have to snap this one out so that we can have room for the new breaker. Okay, put the panel cover back on. So the moment of truth, bismillah. Let's see. Okay, looks good. Now I'm gonna have to check the microwave. The moment of truth. All right, so here you go. Let me open up this. Okay, so we got JFCI. Yep. I like this sound. It works.